इशु भगिनी अद्य भवत्याः मैक् सम्यक् भूत्वा इशु अस्ति वा नास्ति वा?
राम 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 महोदय।
वक्तुमिच्छति वा?
आम्। अवेग्रहो वर्षप्रतिबन्धे प्रेवणिजां रश्मौ च वृणोतेराच्छादने परौ भुवो वज्ञाने एरच हृदोरप ग्रहवृदृनिश्चिगमश्च उपसर्गेदः नौण च व्यधजपोरनुपसर्गे स्वनः सोर्वा यमः समुपनिविषु च नौगदनदपठस्वनः क्वणो वीणायाञ्च नित्यं पणः परिमाणे मदोनुपसर्गे प्रमदसम्मदौ हर्षे समुदोरजः पशुषु अक्षेषु ग्लहः प्रजने सर्तेः ह्वः सम्प्रसारणं च न्युभ्युपविषु आङ्युद्धे निपानमाहावः भावेनुपसर्गस्य हनश्च वथः मूर्तौ घनः अन्तर्घनो देशे अगारैकदेशे प्रघणः प्रघाणश्च उद्घनोत्याधानम् अपघनोऽङ्गम्। तावदेव महोदय।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादः। यथार्थमक्वण।
आं महोदय।
वदतु महोदय।
उणादयो बहुलं भूतेऽपि दृश्यन्ते भविष्यति गम्यादयः यावत् पुराणि पातयोर्लट् विभाषा कदा कर्ह्योः किं वृत्ते लिप्सायां लिप्स्यमानसिद्धौ च लोडर्थलक्षणे च तुमुन्वुलो क्रियायां क्रियार्थायां भाववचनाश्च अण्कर्मणि च लुट्शेषे च लुटः सद्वा अनद्यतने लुट पदरुजविषस्पृशोघै सृस्थिरे भावे अकर्तरि च कारके संज्ञायां परिमाणाख्यायां सर्वेभ्यः इङश्च।
अस्तु। उपसर्गेरुवः
समियुद्रुदुवः श्रीणीभुवोनुपसर्गे वोक्षुश्रुवः अवोदोर्नियः प्रेदृस्तुश्रुवः निरभ्योः पूल्वोः उन्योर्ग्रहः कृधान्ये। धन्यवादः महोदय।
शीघ्रम्, अतिशीघ्रं, you have to by heart very fast. We have the Tritiya Adhyaya, Tritiya Pada test on June, as I told you, June 3rd or June 4th. So it is fast approaching. So people who have not by hearted issue, etc., please do fast. Complete. If you have by hearted, please tell. And others, please finish your memorization very fast. On the last day, if everybody asks you, and don't ask me on the last day. I want to tell on the last day, sir. Everybody want to tell on the last day. It is not possible. So some people request you to finish early. Varun Nanduri, Ishu, Yatharth, Sneha is there. Then Kirtana. There are so many people. Kalyani, Vaishnavi. They tell it directly there. Many people, because they are telling. But please finish your practice very fast. Okay. Next we have Meenakshi Sham from their house. Meenakshi has completed. Who wants to chant today?
Abhirami wanted to chant.
Full Padava.
1 to 20 and I will chant 20 to 40.
Okay. So request Abhirami and all of you to by heart faster, because we are not going to change the date. Already we are spending 2 months for one pada. Then I think we will 32 months into 4. We will be spending 60 months for doing the Ashtadhyayi test and other things. The course will be over very fast. We have to catch up very fast. So only for the third adhyaya I will be giving so much time. But from the fourth adhyaya, the sutras are very easy. I will not be giving so much time for by hearting. So I would request all of you, if you are having time, if you have finished Tritiya Adhyaya, Tritiya Pada, please start learning the Tritiya Adhyaya, Chaturtha Pada very fast. Dhanyavadaha. Abhirami vadatu.
Atha तृतीयाध्यायस्य तृतीयः पादः पुनादयो बहुलं भूतेऽपि दृश्यन्ते भविष्यति गम्यादयः यावत् पुराणि पातयोर्लट् विभाषा कदा गह्योः किं वृत्ते लिप्साया लिप्स्यमानसिद्धौ च लोडर्थलक्षणे च लिङ्चोद्भवमुहूर्तिके तुमुङ्गुलौ क्रियायां क्रियार्थायां भाववचनाश्च अङ्कर्मणि च लक्ष्येषे च ऋतः सद्वा अनद्यतने लुटे पदरुज विषस्पृशोधे सुस्थिरे भावे अकर्तरि चकारके संज्ञायां परिमाणाख्यायां सर्वेभ्यः इङ्गश्च।
धन्यवादाः।
इङ्गश्च उपसर्गे रुवः समियूद्रुदुवः श्रीनि भुवोनुपसर्गे वौक्षु श्रुवः अवोदोर्नियः प्रेद्रुस्तु श्रुवः निरभ्योः पूल्वोः उन्योर्ग्रह कृधान्ये यज्ञे समिस्तुवः प्रेस्त्रो यज्ञे प्रथमे वाव शब्दे छन्दोनाम्नि च उदिग्रहः समिमुष्टौ परिण्योर्नीनोर्द्यूताभ्रेषयोः परावनुपात्येयिनः विपयोष्येतेः पर्याये हस्तादाने चेरस्तेये निवासचिति शरीरोपसमाधाने स्वादेश्च कः। तावदेव महोदय।
धन्यवादाः। Once again, I just want to tell some important thing. See, by hearting Ashtadhyayi is a very important step in your lives. Okay, it is a big achievement if you do it, and it is not easy. What is required is focus. You have to have focus in doing this work. So 20 sutras per day. If in that line, if you can go, I'm talking about for those who are memorizing. Those who have decided to memorize Ashtadhyayi and you are memorizing, please do 20 sutras per day and have that revision. There are two times. One is your class time, half an hour. Then you have by hearting time, which is half an hour, and you have a revision time, which is half an hour. So you should be spending around 1.5 hours, whether you spend it on different time zones of the day, but only if you give that much time, you will be able to do this. For people who are doing Parayanam and who are okay with not by hearting the sutras, I don't have anything to say. They have decided for themselves. But if you have decided to give the time for this class, it is better you by heart the sutras and you give time for it. It can be done in a period that we are talking about. So even if you start now, at least 6th adhyaya you can do. If you can do some adhyayas. So it is just that the focus has to be there, that I have to by heart Ashtadhyayi. In 11 months, people are learning entire Bhagavad Gita. In 8.5 months, people are learning entire Ashtadhyayi. In about 2 to 2.5 years, people are learning the entire Amarakosha. In about 6 years, people are learning the entire Bhagavatam. In about 6 to 8 years, people are by hearting the entire Ramayana. Now, this is only if we have focus, we can do this. And this is all possible. And this is all I'm talking about worldly examples which are prevalent today. I'm not talking about some Krita Yuga or Treta Yuga. We should have focus. And we should do it. If there are around 200 sutras are there, we should be able to do for children, that is people who are by hearting, at least up to say 20-25 years of age. You can do easily you can do 40 to 60 sutras per week. Easily you can do. So one pada actually of 100 sutras or 200 sutras can be achieved in 15 days. That is the speed with which you can achieve the pada. So it is only the focus. I know we are all busy with many things in our lives. We have to steal time. We have to steal time for Ashtadhyayi. Steal time means, okay, I have 10 minutes now. What should I do? Let me revise 10 sutras. Let me see if I can do that. So that kind of stealing time for Ashtadhyayi is very good. We steal time to see WhatsApp messages. We steal time to see a movie. We steal time to do a lot of things. We have to steal time to study Ashtadhyayi. That is my request. I am not telling you don't do the others. You do the others, but see if you can steal time and by heart this Ashtadhyayi. It's very, very important. This focus should be there. And if you are taking more time to by heart the sutras, more than a month to by heart one pada of say 180 sutras, then we have to check. Maybe there is a focus problem or there is something. We have to check, and in 1 month, one pada easily we can do. 1 month, people are doing many padas in a month. So this is, I am talking about children at their age, definitely they can do it. Only you must have focus. You must think that I should do this, and you should work for it. And having the dream, okay, that I should by heart Ashtadhyayi. It will be nice if I by heart Ashtadhyayi. Dreams are okay, but implementing the dream and working for it is very important. See, I am not that kind of a teacher where I police everybody. Whether did you by heart, did you do this, did you do that? That policing has not come in me as a teacher. So there are, if I do a strict follow up with everybody, if I take the WhatsApp numbers of everybody, have a WhatsApp group, and then keep on asking you and following up with you, maybe this group will do a better job in by hearting the things. But that is not what I want to do, and I think the children should take the help of their parents and do and by heart this, and also tell it back to their parents, whether they know Sanskrit or not. If they are able to even get to know some word, if they know that you are going to tell paravara anupachainaha para, if they know, that is enough. You can tell it to them. So for memory, I think we should put lot of efforts, and I would and at this stage, if you say this is not possible or anything, that is, you have already spent so much time and you have come this many long, so we have to complete this. The prarabdham uttama janaha na parityajanti prarabhyate na khalu vigna bhayena nichaihi prarabhya vigna vihataha viramanti madhyaha vignaih punah punarapi pratihanyamanaha prarabdham uttama janaha na parityajanti. There is a subhashita. After telling the meaning of this subhashita, we will close the class. Prarabhyate nakalu vigna bhayena nichaihi. There are three kinds of people. What our Subhashitakara says, nichaihi. What they do, they start the karya. Prarabhyate nakalu vigna bhayena nichaihi. They will not start only. Sorry, nakalu vigna bhayena nichaihi. They won't start the work only. They'll say, oh, there is Ashtadhyayi, it is too much for me. Let me not start it. So they won't start the thing only. Next set of people, prarabhya vigna vihata viramanti madhyaha. So next set of people are the middle people who start but they drop in between. But the best people are those vignaif punah punarapi pratihanyamanaha. Even though the vignas are coming day in and day out. For by hearting Ashtadhyayi, if you sit for by hearting Ashtadhyayi, somebody will call you. They will say, hey, come here. What are you doing? Why don't you do this for me? Or you will get some other phone call. You will get some other. The vignas are too many in a class like Ashtadhyayi. Vignaif punah punarapi pratihanyamanaha. The distractions are too many. Prarabdham uttama janaha na parityajanti. But the Subhashitakara says he is uttama, or the best person, who does not leave what he has started. So let us take some leaf from this and by heart these Ashtadhyayi as fast as possible, and quickly we should all complete the entire Ashtadhyayi. I pray to God that he gives us all the strength to the Adhyapaka to stay till the end, the strength to the Sishyas also to stay till the end. Dhanyavadaha.
Sir, namaskar, sir. The Karashilasana Subhashitani is the best so far I have heard. Because many people, they do, it's not only for Ashtadhyayi, any task which is good. So If you don't mind, share that, Subhash. My father teaching me when I was a kid. I'm looking for that words, so if you don't mind, put it on the board. Very, very important, Subhash. Dhanyavada for it. Very impressive.
प्रारभ्यते न खलु विघ्नभयेन नीचैः प्रारभ्य विघ्नविहताः विरमन्ति मत्याः विघ्नैः पुनः पुनरपि प्रतिहन्यमानाः प्रारब्धमुत्तमजनाः न परित्यजन्ति.
Very, very beautiful. I mean, it is I think one of the best Subhashitanis for children.
Bhakti Harina Kritam Kaluji.
Amji.
Appropriate for not only Acharya school, for any task you take it, don't give up. It's a very, very powerful Subhashita.
That too, Ashtadhyayi, a kind of course like Ashtadhyayi and Amarakosha and these kind of courses are long courses, and this nobody in the world does it. Not many people in the world by heart Ashtadhyayi. So we should all think that we are the few fortunate people who are learning this. And this is no exaggeration. I am not exaggerating, or I am not praising you for my own benefits. So I am telling you, by hearting Ashtadhyayi and attending this class is not so easy. And what you are all doing is a great, amazing effort that you are putting. By coming to this class, many of them have achieved excellent levels of Parayanam, excellent way they are reading, especially the elders. I'm very, very happy with the elders, progress of the elders. Though they have not been able to by heart, but they are able to read very, very, very nicely without any mistake, etc. That is the progress which the elders have made. But for the youngsters, definitely, the youngsters also, we are having a good amount of youngsters, say 20-25 people are by hearting this and are telling in front of the judges, and that is the effort which everybody is putting. Not everybody will put this, and you won't get any medals or certificate for by hearting Ashtadhyayi. Nobody will praise you or anything. So if you tell one shloka and put it in YouTube, people will say very nicely you have told, and all those things will be there. Ashtadhyayi, rarely people understand what is Ashtadhyayi. So you are the fortunate set of people who are learning this Ashtadhyayi. You are giving time, but give it in a more focused way so that you can achieve your goal. We can all achieve our goals. And at the young age, if you study Ashtadhyayi, you are putting your platform in a very, very high pedestal. You will be able to learn Sanskritam, Sanskrita Vyakaranam, and lot of things very fast. I don't know how should I explain, but and Vyakaranam is the basis for anything. You may say that, sir, I am going to study Vedanta, I am going to study Natya Shastra. Why should I require Vyakarana? Vyakarana is the basis for all things. Even Natya Shastra, you study one Grantha, or even in Vedanta, you study Shankara Bhashya. You will not be able to understand without the Vyakarana knowledge. Vyakarana knowledge, basic Vyakarana knowledge is definitely required. And for that, Ashtadhyayi definitely helps. And if we study the Shastra, Vyakarana Shastra, that is the most important thing that we do for our Sanskrit learning journey. After that, unearthing the text is very, very simple. Any text you can study after if you study Vyakarana. That is the basis. Prathame Vidvanso Vyakarana. That is what people say. First a person is recognized as a Vidwan only if he studies Vyakarana. That is the first step which we have to take. And being youngsters and you have the age and other things, you have to take this step. And the first step in studying Vyakarana Shastra is by hearting the Ashtadhyayi. Anyway, I think somehow I gave a lecture today, which I was not supposed to give. Somehow I felt that...
I know it helps. Sir, it helps to once in a while to make people realize it. So I think whatever you said is applies to everybody, whether it's old or young people. But this is good. I think it's very well time spent. So thanks for the good time.
Dhanyavad. So the youngsters can pick up be little bit focused and by heart faster. That was the message, final message. Dhanyavadaha. Yenakshara samamnaya madigamya maheshwarat kristam vyakaranam proktam tasmai paninaye namaha. Swasti pradabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim mahishaha गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।